look at this. Look at this. It's a socket fan. It's really, really light. It's made of plastic, but don't let that fool you because this little thing puts off a lot of wind flow. This is a dimmable light. This is only 18 inches round. It comes in different colors. I got the black. 3-speed wind function. It's got a timing function. It's got a remote. It has memory function, sudden stop protection. Like I said, it's only 18 inches. It's light. It fits right into the socket. It has extra little things to fit your socket. So if you have a deep socket and you need it to come out because this won't fit it, this works. It also has another socket extender like this or like this. Like this is a fun little tool. I was thinking this could also be for RVs, campers. For me, I have a little room in my house that doesn't get airflow. It's not a closet, but it's not a big enough room. And we're in Texas and it's hot. So this little thing puts off quite a bit of air for its little size.